4th of April, 2023. BASF debuts Kerasylium, a plant-based alternative to animal keratin. At the In-Cosmetics Global Trade Show in Barcelona, BASF Personal Care has launched an upcycled plant extract with an amino acid composition similar to that of keratin to help repair damaged hair and protect it from daily aggressions. BASF's new hair care ingredient is a micro-complex, rich in peptides and nutrients. Dubbed Kerasylium, the plant extract is the result of upcycling from milk thistle seed cakes, a byproduct of Silybum marianum oil production. Sustainable.